You know, Jamaicans abroad send home over $4 billion every year, and it's easy to hear people say remittances run the country. Sure, that money is a lifeline for so many families, but the idea that it's the only thing keeping Jamaica afloat? That's not the full story. Here's the thing, remittances help households, not the government. Unlike taxes, that cash goes straight to families to cover food, rent, and school fees, not to build roads, hospitals, or schools. The government might get a little from taxes on remittance fees or when people spend that money, but it's not funding the big stuff. And while that money keeps lights on and bellies full, it doesn't create jobs. It boosts spending at the corner shop or the utility company, but it's not building factories or starting businesses that hire hundreds. In some ways, relying too much on remittances can even hurt. Why hustle for a low-paying local job when family abroad sends steady cash? That keeps the informal economy strong but doesn't move the needle for real growth. Meanwhile, tourism pulls in over $3.7 billion, and bauxite adds another billion plus. Those industries? They're the ones creating formal jobs, putting paychecks in pockets, and bringing in real foreign exchange. Remittances? They're unpredictable. When things go bad abroad, like during COVID, that flow can dry up fast. Plus, there's another downside, so many skilled Jamaicans leave for better wages overseas, then send money back. That's great for their families, but it drains local talent, making it harder to build strong businesses and industries here at home. At the end of the day, remittances are a lifeline, not an engine. They keep families going, but real growth? That takes investment, real jobs, and productivity, not just dollars from the diaspora.